Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set caller ID announcement in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to call button. Go to call button here and then go to these three vertical dots here and go to settings there and here select caller ID announcement and click on announce caller ID and here select announce caller ID always. Okay, so always caller ID will be announced. Okay, now check. I am going to make a call from another number to check caller ID announcement.
Incoming voice call from Direct on Sim 1.
Listen here.
Incoming voice call from Direct.
Caller ID announcement is done here. Okay. Incoming voice call from Turai Prince. It is read like that. So in this way, you can easily set caller ID announcement in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.